What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I want to talk about the ZL1 add-ons tow hook. Now, ZL1 add-ons offers a lot of different tow hooks now. When I originally got mine, they only had one. It was just the base original tow hook. Now they offer a couple different ones. They have the Featherlight, which is a lighter version, and it's actually built different. It doesn't have the hem joint. It's a two-piece, really simple design, and it's the same strength, works really well. They have the GT4, which is more of a circuit style tow hook, so it's flat. There is no joint. It doesn't move up and down. It's just flat, sticks out of the grill just a little bit, so you can hook onto it if need be. And they have their titanium one, which is obviously half the weight of a steel one. And for those of you who care about weight or style and function. Now, why am I talking about this today? Well, as you know, my car recently broke down at Famosa Raceway, snapped the stock drive shaft, and couldn't drive. The shaft was a clean break. And, well, we don't know if it was a clean break, but it broke, so the car cannot move forward, so we had to push it. Unfortunately, the trailer I have is one of those trailers that you pull forward, these wheels slide forward, and the trailer drops down. Well, we would have had to have pushed the car on. Now, it's not a crazy trailer that has a crazy angle or anything. We could have pushed it, but we decided, hey, I got this tow hook in the front, and the trailer had a winch. So we ghetto-rigged a battery setup to power the winch. It's just a 12-volt, got it working. Hooked up on the ZL1 add-ons tow hook and pulled the car on the trailer. Check out the video.
What is this attached to, out of curiosity?
It's got a hitch on there. It's attached to
yeah, it's a hitch. Yeah, the wood is mucked out.
Right side, real close. Get over there a little more. Spread it out. Stop the trailer. What? Ryan, there's a wheel stop that will okay, there we go. Oh, on your side? Okay, cool.
Good. Now, I never wish for anybody's car to have to use the tow hook, but this was a prime example of something happening, being in a situation where it made it easier to pull the car up on the trailer, or in some instances, if it was a tow truck, you don't have to push it up. Now, obviously, most tow trucks, they have a winch and they can pull your car up on there, but if I didn't have the tow hook, they would have to connect to something else, and most likely the cable or the wire would have ripped apart my front splitter or something worse. So in this instance, the ZL1 add-ons tow hook came in handy. Now, my car's about 3,700 pounds. That winch can pull 4,500. It all worked out. It was not the best of situations, but you know what? I had a product that I didn't spend a lot of money on, and it worked as advertised. So just want to highlight it. So if you guys aren't familiar, I know some people like to run them and leave them on their car for looks. Some people call them rice, some people don't. But honestly, even if you don't want to run it day to day, the stock GM one is terrible. I mean, it will work. Don't get me wrong, if you want to keep the stock GM one in the back of your car, and if you ever get in a situation you need a tow, you can use that one. But if you want to use something a little more stylistic, or something, if you actually do go to a race course, you do need to have a certified hook that has at least a 2-inch loop, and the stock GM one doesn't meet those requirements. So if you go road racing or anything like that, you're gonna need a new tow hook anyways. So check out ZL1 add-ons if you guys want. I do have a discount code there. I know a lot of you guys have used it because you guys have told me you used it. But Lethal5 will save you 5% on any of their products. But they have lots of different tow hooks for our car. Again, the regular one, if you go to their site, there's the FL, which is the Featherlight. They have the GT4, which is the circuit style, and then they have the TI, which is the titanium, and the one that's just the tow hook is the regular one, the one that I have. So most of them come in Most of them come either powder coated. You can get powder coated black or red, and they do say tow on the front edge. Again, just to highlight, so if someone walks up to your car, is like, where do I hook up the tow? Oh, there you go. It says tow. Hook it right there. Or you can get some of them. I don't think he offers all of them in the unpainted, but it's a bare metal that you can take down and have powder coated any color. And actually, to have that powder coat is not very expensive. You're talking like 30, maybe 40 bucks max if you go to a powder coater. I know here in Temecula, there's a great powder coating company, Precision Powder Coat, or PPC. So if you guys are looking for a place, Southern California, PPC is a great place to go. They have really good prices, do great work. But if you want to get like color match to your car or something like that, you can do that there with their unpainted version. So yeah, lots of options. So either or, that is the ZL1 add-ons tow hook. If you guys have any questions, comments, whatever, let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed the content, hit that subscribe button, support the channel. And if not, likes, comments, shares, appreciate it. Until next time, see you on the road.